Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add a link on CAD. First, open your existing CAD project in the editor. Look for the plus icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, and click it. This action will reveal a menu of various elements you can add to your site. From this list, simply choose the link element to begin. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks to get started. Once you've added the link element, it's time to configure its settings. You'll need to enter the complete URL for where you want your link to lead. You also have the option to make the link open in a new browser tab, which is often a good practice for external sites. CAD also supports special link types, such as mail for email addresses or phone for direct calls, enhancing user interaction with just one tap or click. After setting up the link's destination, you can customize its appearance to match your site's design. You can easily adjust the text color, font size, and even the font itself. Consider adding a hover effect, which changes the link's appearance when a user's mouse passes over it, providing helpful visual feedback. Making your link clearly visible and distinct from regular text is crucial for a good user experience, guiding visitors to important information. The final steps involve testing and publishing your site. Always preview your CAD site to ensure all your newly added links function correctly. Click on each link to verify it navigates to the intended destination without any issues. Once you are completely satisfied with your changes, save your work and then publish your site. This will make your updates live and accessible to all your visitors, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.